Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring alphabets and numbers. Blue color, green color, yellow color, white color, black color, red color. So kids, now we coloring alphabets and numbers. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now we coloring alphabets and numbers. So kids, now we using red color and draw A. A for apple. A for apple. A for apple. Kids, the next one is B. B for ball. B for ball. We again use red color. B for ball. Kids, now we using red color and draw the letter of B. Kids, the next one is C. C for cat, and we are using green color. C for cat. C for cat. Kids, the next one is D. D for dog. D for dog. Kids, the next one is E. E for elephant. Kids, now we using yellow color. E for elephant. E for elephant. Again we using yellow color and draw F. F for fish. F for fish. So kids, the next one is G. G for goat. G for goat. Kids, now we using blue color. G for goat. Kids, the next one is H. H for hand. H for hand. Kids, the next one is I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Now we using white color. I for ice cream. Kids, the next one is J. J for jackfruit. J for jackfruit. We again use white color. J for jackfruit. So kids, the next one is K. K for kite. Now we using black color. K for kite. Kids, the next one is L. L for lion. L for lion. Kids, the next one is M. M for moon. Kids, again we use red color. M for moon. So kids, next one is N. N for nest. Kids, again we use red color. N for nest. Kids, the next one is O. O for orange. O for orange. Kids, again we using green color and draw O. O for orange. O for orange. Now we are coloring P. P for parrot. We again use green color. P for parrot. Now we coloring Q. So kids, now we using yellow color. Q for queen. Kids, the next one is R. R for rose. R for rose. We again use yellow color and draw S. S for sun. S for sun. The next one is T. T for teacher. Kids, now we using blue color. T for teacher. Kids, the next one is U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Kids, the next one is V. V for van. Now we using white color. V for van. V for van. So kids, the next one is W. W for wolf. We again use white color. So kids, the next one is X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. And we are using black color. X for X-ray. Kids, the next one is Y. Y for yolk. We again use black color. Kids, the last one is Z. Z for zebra. Now we again using black color. So kids, now we are coloring numbers. First we are coloring 0. 0. We use black color. Kids, the next one is 1. We again use black color. O N E 1. The next one is 2. T W O 2. Kids, now we are coloring the number of 3. 3, and we are using red color. Three. Now we draw 3. Kids, the next one is 4. F-O-U-R 4. Kids, the next one is 5 and we using green color. Five. Now we draw the number of 5. The next one is 6. 6. Kids, now we are coloring the number of 7 and use yellow color. Seven. Now we draw the number of 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. We again use yellow color and draw 8. So kids, the next one is 9. Kids, the last one is 9 and we using blue color. The last number is 9. We are draw the number of 9. So kids, we have done. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.